the little red boat who kept going. Sunlight sparkled on a small Japan harbour. Whoosh! A giant wave rocked boats, and a tiny red boat drifted out. Across the Pacific, the little red boat met dolphins, watched sunsets, and floated under stars for months, still brave. On a sunny Canada beach, children saw it land, tired and scratched. Grown-ups gasped, "It crossed the ocean!" The town cleaned the boat and learned it came from Japan's tsunami. Children painted flowers. Be brave, keep going.